What will be your move if you encounter this question in exam? Here you're asked to simplify root 11 minus 6 root 2. Okay. The first step is that let's root 11 minus 6 root 2 equals to the square root of m minus the square root of n. Okay? Just pay attention. Okay? Now, the next step, you have to take the square of both sides. So, I'm going to have this squared and this squared. So, this will eliminate this. I'm left with 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to, now, root of m minus root of n multiplied by root of m minus root of n, right? So 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to root m times root m, that is what? M. Root m that, multiplied by negative root n, that is negative root m multiplied by root n, right? Okay, negative root n multiplied by root m, I'm going to have negative root n multiplied by root m, then positive n, right? So this will be 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to m. This will be, split this, I'm going to have plus n, then this negative 2 root m root n. Now, if you take the product, recall that if you have root a multiplied by root b can be written as root a b, right? So I'm going to have 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to m plus n minus 2 root m times n, right? Okay, so having gotten to this point, compare both sides. You can see that I can equate this to this because this is what doesn't have square root attached, and this to this. So I'm going to have m plus n, oh sorry, small letter m plus n equals to 11, and then negative 2 roots m times n equals to negative 6 roots 2. Do you understand? Okay. Now, the question is, let us simplify this further by dividing both sides by negative 2. So I'm going to have this over negative 2 and this over negative 2. So I'm going to have here m plus n equals to 11, and then root m times n equals to 3 root 2, right? Yes. Now the question is this: what two number can you sum together? You're going to have 11. And if you take the square root of their product, you're going to have 3 root 2. That's the question now. What are the two numbers that if you add them together, if you sum these two numbers together, you're going to have 11. And if you take the square root of the product, you're going to have 3 root 2. The two numbers are, let's try, 9 and 2. Okay. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 times 2, 18. Square root of 18 will be equals to square root of 9 times 2, right? That will be square root of 9 times square root of 2, right? Square root of 9 is 3, so I'm going to have 3 root 2. So these are the two numbers that I need. So here, m, okay, let's replace it. 9 plus 2 equals to 11, and then square root of 9 multiplied by 2 will give me what? 3 root 2. Now, do not forget that we said let root 11 minus 6 root 2 equals to root m minus root n, right? So I'm going to have root 11 minus 6 root 2 equals to root m minus root n. Do you understand? Okay, now do not forget that m is what? M is 9, so I'm going to have square root of 9 minus, okay, n is 2, so I'm going to have minus root 2, right? So for this, put this minus 6 root 2, 3 minus root 2. So that will be the solution to the question. 11 minus 6 root 2 is equals to 3 minus root 2, which is the final answer. If you have any questions as touching this, let me know in the comment section, okay?